Okay, so this is a video on how to add your store cards, loyalty cards and that to an Apple Wallet type thing. If you can't add them to Apple Wallet because you know the app doesn't support it because they want you to be in their app, what you can do is I'm going to show you how to do this, and you can add them to an app which is going to give you a double click to just the same way as you call up the Apple Wallet, where you click the power button. Boom, this is going to be pretty much similar to that. So the first thing you want to do is go to your app, open it up, take a screenshot of the card that you want to go in there. I'm showing you on the screen here, Tesco Club card, which I'm just like using for the example. Then you can open the next app that you want. Here I'm just going to add a screenshot of a wallet of a Morrison's card, and then I'm going to go finally to something Best Buy I was looking for, and then I add that card, screenshot that card, which is your power button and your top left volume button. Screenshot that, add that to your camera roll. Then you're going to go into your camera roll. You're going to select the, I don't know how many cards you've got, 3 here I've just screenshotted, so I'm going to select these 3 cards, and then I'm going to create a new folder, a new album, add them to the new album. I'm going to call that album Club Cards Loyalty, and I'm going to save all 3 of those cards into that album. Then, as you can see, those 3 cards are in that album, Club Cards Loyalty. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Shortcuts app, and I'm going to press the plus button in the top to create a new shortcut. I'm going to go to, I don't need to press the add action. Down at the bottom there where it says search for apps and actions, you can touch in there and then you can write photos, right, and find the one that says all photos. Click on that and it will add that. And now what you want to do is you want to go to add the next bit where it's add filter. You want to go check the album and then touch on it and select, when it comes up, the Club Cards Loyalty. So then that says find all photos album is Club Cards Loyalty, and then we want to go back down to the search for apps and actions at the bottom again, and in there you want to type the words show result. When that pops up, touch that show result, that'll add that to the workflow. So we've got all photos where album is Club Cards Loyalty, show photos, show the result. Okay, touch the play button down the bottom and you'll see what happens is it shows that folder. Now this is the first step of what we want it to do. You can touch on that there and then it will take you to the folder if you wanted to, and you will see it's all in there. You can click the done button, but it's okay. So the next part we want to do is go up the top there and we want to name this Club Cards Loyalty, so that it's easy to find when we do the next step. That's that finish. Hit the X button. Now we can see it's in our shortcuts, Club Cards Loyalty. Next step, go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, go into Accessibility. Don't scroll down to the bottom, you don't need to. You want to come up to the top there where it says Touch. Click the touch, go into there. Right down the bottom we have something called Back Tap On. Switch it on. Go into there, and what we do is on the double tap there I've got text wife, on the triple tap we've got nothing. So this means when you tap the back of your iPhone, bump bump twice, it's going to call up your wallet. So you've got your normal wallet for the cards that do go into the Apple Wallet on your power button, pop pop, and if you tap the back of the iPhone, double tap if you want to put it into the double or triple tap, which is what I'm going to do now, triple tap it, it will select that album. So we go in there, triple tap, we go down to Shortcuts, which is at the bottom there, and then you can see in that list of shortcuts it said Club Cards Loyalty. We want to highlight that one, click it, so it puts a tick next to it. And next step is to test it by, if you've done the double tap or the triple tap. I've done triple tap, so I'm going to triple tap the back of the iPhone, and as soon as I do that, up pops that wallet, well, that album, which is a wallet, and I can touch that then and it takes me into that wallet, and I can scroll between the 3 cards. There they are, so I can choose which one I want. Triple tap the back, if it wasn't the first card that came up, I would touch it and go into the album and then find the card that I want. And then I would put it underneath the machine, boom, and then I can click the done button, and that's it. It's closed, finished. And that is all there is to it. And if you want it to automate so that your cards show up automatically when you go to the store, I have a video on that as well, and the link below, and you can go and watch that, and then you won't have to double tap or triple tap. It will automatically come up when you walk into the store. And that's my useful video for the day. Right, Grogu, time to go and eat.